Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the essentials. Make sure your Telegram app is updated and the image you want to extract text from is accessible in Photos or an open chat. Once done, tap the image to view it full screen and select the Share or More Options menu. That exposes the built-in tools or bots. If using a bot, start the chat by sending the image now. This first step gets you into the working view where OCR options appear and you can proceed to run recognition. Once you've opened the image or bot, choose Telegram's OCR option or the specific OCR bot's command to extract text. This is where language selection matters, so set the correct language first. Next, crop or rotate the image to focus on the text area and apply any enhancement tools to reduce noise and improve clarity. After running recognition, review the returned text and edit inline. Correct common OCR mistakes like L versus 1 or comma placement to ensure the output is accurate for copying or sharing. To finish, copy the clean text to your clipboard, share it in chat, or use Telegram's Translate or Save to Notes features. Make sure to proofread once more before sending because OCR isn't perfect. If the extraction fails or text is garbled, retry with a higher resolution photo or crop tighter around the text and run OCR again. As a key troubleshooting tip, switch to a different OCR bot or a dedicated external app when dealing with unusual fonts, handwriting, or low-contrast images to improve results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.